Looking to build a thriving career in IT? Start with Linux administration at Jewett.com, the ultimate platform for IT professionals. Linux powers over 90% of servers worldwide. Our comprehensive Linux administration course equips you with the skills to manage servers, automate tasks, and monitor systems efficiently. With expert guidance and hands-on labs, you'll gain real-world experience. This course opens doors to high-demand roles like Linux administrator, system engineer, and DevOps professional, with salaries starting at 500,000 rupees and going beyond 2 million rupees per annum for experienced experts. Your future in IT starts here. Visit Jewett.com and enroll in a Linux administration course today. Empower your career with Jewett.com. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.